Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a simple partition in your Windows 11 operating system or any Windows operating system you're using. So in your operating system you might have only C drive and you want to create other partitions like D or E, or you may have some other drives also, but you want to also make a part of those partitions. So I'm gonna tell you how to do that. Go to your search and write create or format hard disk. Create. Create or create and format hard disk partition. Now open this Windows application and now select your partition. In your case you might select the C drive, but I am selecting my V drive. Now when you have selected this and you're getting these hatches kind of things like this marks in it, right click on it and go to shrink volume. Now select how much you want to, how much space you want from the drive. I want 5 GB, so I'm going to write 5 into 1024. So I have to write 5120 MB. So here you are not writing the GBs, here you are writing the MB. So 5120. Now click on the shrink button and now 5 GB unallocated or any kind of GB unallocated space will be created. Now right click on it and go to new simple volume. Now click on next. Now click on next, select the drive name or letter. I'm selecting P. Now next, name your drive. So I'm naming it test. Click on next and click on finish. Your partition has been created. Now you can close this application and again go to your Explorer, and you can see that your partition is created. So you can see your partition is created. So thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, make sure you like, subscribe and share my video to your friends and family. So take care, bye.